Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to give camera access to your Facebook profile, which is very simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then come to the menu section by tapping on these three lines in the top right corner, and then tap at this gear to open up settings and privacy. Once you open up settings and privacy, just scroll down a little bit until you get the option of device permissions. Just simply find that option, and like it's over there in your activity option, tap at device permissions. Here you can see camera on the very second number. Just simply here you can see it says never, means it's not allowed. So we are going to allowing it that. Just simply tap at see information, tap at update settings, and tap at open device settings. It will be redirect you to your mobile phone settings. So here you find the option of permissions. Just simply tap on it. On the very top it shows that to which things you have allowed to your Facebook profile, and on the bottom it shows that which thing you have not allowed. So here you can find the camera option. On the very top in not allowed section, just simply tap at camera. Here you find the three options. It says allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. If you tap at ask every time, whenever you will be trying to access camera in your Facebook, it will ask you. And if you tap at allow only while using the app, once you are using this app, it will be allowed that specific permission to your Facebook profile. So that's how you can easily give camera access to your Facebook profile. You can also give contact access, location, or microphone in the same way. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question, just leave comment section below and I'll be in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. And if you think that this video has helped you, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video, and I will be recommend you to check the latest video and end screen. Goodbye.